Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be covering the correct pronunciation of well-known names in the fashion industry. Let's start with Nike. Many people mispronounce this brand as Nike, but the correct pronunciation is actually Nike. The name Nike comes from the Greek goddess of victory. Next up is VERSACHE. Some people mispronounce this Italian brand as VERSACHE, but the correct pronunciation is VERSACHE. The brand is known for its bold, glamorous and colorful designs and is one of the leading fashion houses in the world. Moving on to ADIDAS. This German sportswear company is often mispronounced as ADIDAS, but the correct pronunciation is ADIDAS. The name comes from the founder's name, Adolphe Dassler. HERMES is a French luxury brand known for its high-end leather goods and accessories. Some people mispronounce this brand as HERMES, but the correct pronunciation is HERMES. The brand originally specialized in harnesses and saddles. Next, we have GIVENCHY, another French luxury brand. This name is often mispronounced as GIVENCHY, but the correct pronunciation is GIVENCHY. The famous little black dress that Audrey Hepburn wears in Breakfast at Tiffany's is one of the brand's most iconic designs. Moving on to Louis Vuitton. This French luxury brand is often mispronounced as Louis Vuitton, but the correct pronunciation is Louis Vuitton. The brand is known for its iconic monogram pattern and luxury leather goods. Next up is SHWARZKOPF, a German hair care brand. Many people mispronounce this brand as Schwarzkopf, but the correct pronunciation is Schwarzkopf. The brand is now part of the Henkel Group, which also owns other hair care brands such as Got2b and Sias. Moving on to Gucci. This Italian luxury fashion brand is often mispronounced as Gucci, but the correct pronunciation is Gucci. The brand is known for its iconic GG logo and high-end leather goods. Chanel is another French luxury fashion brand that is often mispronounced. Some people pronounce it as Chanel, but the correct pronunciation is Chanel. The brand was founded by Coco Chanel and is known for its iconic Chanel No. 5 perfume. LEVI'S is an American denim brand that is often mispronounced as LEVI'S. The correct pronunciation is Levi's. The brand is known for its iconic blue jeans and denim jackets. Lastly, we have Balenciaga, a luxury fashion brand based in Spain. This name is often mispronounced as Balenciaga, but the correct pronunciation is Balenciaga. The brand is known for its avant-garde designs and chunky sneakers. So there you have it, the correct pronunciation of luxury and fashion brand names. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable for you. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe for more videos.